Hey friends, today I'm working with the Elle Studio July 2019 kit, and there are a couple of pieces with the kit and add-ons like this 4x6 inch tag that has all the summary words on it and the pool party wood veneer that really had me want to create this spread. I love it when the product that I have on hand just kind of talks to me into what I want to document. So I went through my photos and saw that I had this entire pool party that I hadn't documented any of the photos yet. So this is the perfect opportunity for me to do that. So the first thing I do is go through my LA Studio kit tags to see which tags I feel would be best. Now that 4x6 inch tag is kind of bothering me because I don't have any 4x6 pockets on this one. So I think I might save that one for one of my monthly spreads. So I'm pulling out 3x4 cards. And there are so many great cards this month. Some of them are kind of geared toward 4th of July colors, others are just bright and summery. I also have the new Sunshine paper stack, and all of these patterns are just gorgeous and they coordinate so well with the kit this month. So I'm just going through to see which papers really call to me. Now this one, it's hard to see from this video, but it is a multicolor dot in rows. So I want to add a few different multicolors. This one is there. I have the striped one that I'm now moving down to the bottom left, and I really like the way that that frames out the pool party wood veneer. I love that summer 3x4 tag, so I'm putting that in the upper right hand corner, and I just need to find another 4x4 for this empty space that I have here. I love the popsicles too. I think I'm going to have to incorporate those somehow. Uh, Even if you don't want to use the whole pattern, it's great to cut those into rows. It's easily done. I'm just seeing what I can add my journaling onto here. There are so many different journaling cards this month that have great space for journaling. I use tags a lot in my pockets, so I'm going to use that tag. I'm going to cut it out and add my journaling just straight onto that using my printer and Photoshop. What I'll do is just scan in that tag so I know where the lines are, add my text, and then print, adhere the tag, and then reprint that back out. So it looks like that. I also have a lot of blue in my photo, so it works out really well. Still looking for something to fill that gap, and I love this teal pattern. It has all of the awesome summer words on it, similar to that 4x6 inch tag. And I'm just going to use that as a frame for that photo. It's just another jumping photo of my daughter and her little friends. I like to include a few different photos that are different sizes just to mix things up a bit. And I also like that it has the white border on it so that it really clearly stands out. So I'm just going to cut 2 rows of the popsicle pattern here. And I'm going to put 1 row of the popsicle pattern up behind my blue tag. And I also want to grab a yellow label to kind of balance out that summer tag at the top right. Now I'm going to do something really special with my pool party wood veneer, and I've grabbed my Vicky Bouton paint markers, which I really love. This is slightly out of focus, so I'm just going to kind of skip ahead to the next part here. So one thing I love about these wood veneers is that they're so easy to color in because they have like a slight outline that's deeper than the letters on the top. So it makes it easy for you to stay in the lines essentially. So I've done a pool with the dark blue, and I will have a link to these markers in my video notes because they really are fantastic. I find using them on wood veneer is really easy. And I am using all the colors for the word party. So all the colors found in the kit this month, I luckily have markers to match each of them. So it's turning out really, really nice. I also love having that neutral border around them, similar to my photos really, but in a wood grain color. It's looking really, really pretty. So I have one more. I was going to use dark pink, but I'm going with the really light kind of mint green for the exclamation point. And I'm going to put that right down there in that multicolor pocket. Okay, the next thing I'm going to do is add the date to that yellow tag here that I'm going to put underneath my wood veneer. And I'm using the mini dated stamp for this one. I love that this date stamp is not too small like a roller date stamp, but not as large as the dated stamp so that it fits perfectly on these smaller tags. Okay, now that we've got those things out of the way, we're going to start assembling here. And I'm using dimensional adhesive to adhere this single photo to the background of this paper and just add that there. And then this remember this die cut, it's just going to go really perfectly there. And this is from the Shine die cut pack. If you guys haven't checked out that pack, it is chock full of amazing words and phrases and labels and things that you need to just fill in those little gaps and make titles. There's so many great die cuts in there. So I'm adding this popsicle to the bottom of this 4x4 inch piece of paper just to add a little bit of extra color, and then my tag will go on the top. So I'm just sliding that in the pocket because I consider that pretty much done until I put my journaling on. I want something to go up here, and this "let the good times roll" is a perfect saying for a glass of Prosecco on a hot summer day, so we're going to go with that. We also have new puffy star stickers this month that coordinate really well with the kit, and I'm going to call that pocket done. There's something really satisfying about finishing a pocket and sliding it in as soon as I'm done. Now I'm just moving my way around. Now there was a problem with my printer, and it lost connection to my computer like right at the end of printing this photo, and I thought I would have to reprint it, but when I printed it out I thought it kind of fades into white at the bottom, and I thought that looks actually quite cool. So it's a good place for me to add another die cut, and again that's from the Shine die cuts. This time it's orange, so it really stands out against all the blue in that photo. So these are those little multicolored dots I'm just adding to the bottom there. And I have this other, it's about 2.75 or 3 inches photo. This is of my daughter splashing, which at the time was quite funny. Now that I look at the picture, I think that was probably a little bit annoying, but that's what kids do. And I'm grabbing the Title Builder stamp. This is brand new. It just came out at the end of June. So if you guys haven't had a chance to check that out, check the link in my video notes. But there is a couple of splashes. This Title Builder stamp is kind of geared towards summer. And we added the splashes in there just as a little accent. And I was thinking that it would be great to do these on the corners of the photo. Okay, next I'm moving on to the gorgeous summer 3x4 tag. There really doesn't need much on there, but there's this around here die cut from the kit, and I just love that addition, and I love that it kind of fits with what is already on the tag. I'm just going to put some dimensional adhesive on that die cut and grab a couple of puffy stars just to add to the edges. I actually went with the blue puffy stars to add a bit of contrast there. Now I have a couple of enlarged photos here that span across two different pockets, and this is one of them. Now it's a really cool photo of my friend tossing her daughter up into the air out of the pool, and I think all you need there is a die cut that coordinates with the sky. And I just love that. I think it's really cool. It didn't turn out to be the greatest photo. I needed my shutter speed to be a bit faster, but it still looks really cool and it gives you that sense of movement and excitement. This is the new You Are My Sunshine stamp. And there's all sorts of great phrases on here, perfect for summer memories. So I'm going to add one of those to a tag here. This little tag is from um, the July labels. All of the labels coordinate with the kit, and they have little stars on them, which is really cool. So I've decided that this is not working for me, this pocket. I can't fit anything else onto it. So I'm going to start over with this one. I'm going to move this little multicolored polka dot down here. So don't worry, I'm not wasting paper. So I'm adding that multicolor down there. I am going to pull off my photo here because I've decided I want to use this hashtag goals stamp. And to fit that on, I need to redo this pocket. So I'm cutting another piece of the 4" by 4" grid. There we go. And I'm going to pull off my photo. It hasn't been on very long, so it still easily comes off, so I'm not wasting any of my adhesive. And I'm going to move it to the center and up towards the top now so that I can fit the hashtag goals stamp at the bottom. This is again from the brand new Title Builder Volume 3 stamp, which I'm so excited about. It's been in the making for a while now, and it's really exciting to finally be able to share it with you guys. It's really summer themed, very positive and uplifting. I actually had a few different words on there that when I was editing it, I thought this is not positive enough, so I scratched the words out. When you buy the stamp, it also comes with over 100 title possibilities using the stamp only. When you pair that stamp with your alphabet stickers, with phrase stickers, anything that you have in your stash, the possibilities are really endless. So what I'm going to add here is the word splash. And then I'm going to get to the H and realize that I don't have an H in my teal puffy alphabet stickers, which really is a shame because they're really cute. So we're going to go a different direction here. Okay, I rated my entire puffy sticker stash to make a multicolored title, which I love so much more. And then when you add that the little splash onto the side from the title builder stamp, that is exactly what I wanted for this pocket. So I'm super excited about it. I'm just seeing if I can fit anything else on there, and I don't think I need to. It is fine just the way it is. And I love that I have another multicolored element on the page. Now over on this jumping picture, I'm using the You Are My Sunshine stamp to add a little phrase to this label. And it's Life is Good with little stars on it. I love that it's the typewriter font, which matches with my journaling. So I'm going to add that down there to the bottom left corner. Super fun. And then there's a few die cuts in the kit that I want to add to this little camera circular die cut. Just going to add that with the mini stapler there. And then probably a puffy star. You can't go wrong with that. And of course I see that my label is crooked, but I can just about tweak it with this with the staple in there. There we go. That pocket is done. At the bottom here, I'm just going to add the This Was So Good die cut from the Shine die cuts. It really blends in with the photo because it's quite dark down there at the bottom. So I really love the way this turned out. I think it feels really balanced to me. I added that blue star there, so once my journaling is on, I will get that blue star die cut from the Shine die cuts on there. And I'm going to call this layout complete. All of these fun little details worked out really well. I especially love that pool party wood veneer and the way that I colored that in and added multicolor elements like that splash goals tag. Such a fun pocket page to create. I hope you guys enjoyed the process, and I hope you'll check out the Elle Studio July 2019 kit and extras. You can find those at the link in my profile while supplies last. Thanks so much for watching, and be sure to subscribe to see future pocket page process videos from me. Happy creating!